kids, it's your girl Vivica Fox. It's your girl Vivica Fox. It's your girl Vivica Fox. I'm a Hollywood actress. Now we make movies in Hollywood and sometimes they're not real. But when it comes to gun safety, that's a real issue. So if you see someone at your school with a gun, don't be afraid to tell your teacher. It's not ratting or snitching. Remember kids, Cool Cat loves you and your girl Vivica does too. So do the right thing.
Hi, I'm Eric Roberts. I play both the tough guy and the cool guy in a lot of Hollywood movies and TV shows. But there is nothing tough. There's nothing cool about taking a gun to school. So think first and do the right thing. And always remember, Cool Cat loves you. So does Eric Roberts.
Hi, I'm Chief Scott LaChasse of the Burbank Police Department. School safety
This fucking guy, dude.
is extremely important to everyone. Guns can be dangerous and kids should never bring guns to school. That's not cool, but it's cool to do the right thing. Remember kids, Cool Cat loves you and the Burbank Police Department cares about you.
Hi, I'm Derek. Hey, when I was a child, I got bullied, so I know what it's like. I know it can be scary also, especially if you don't have a friend right there beside you. So I want you to know, always remember please, you got a friend, and your friend is Cool Cat.
That's right, everybody! And remember, if a bully picks on you, you better tell him, say, hey, quit bullying me, because I'm friends with Cool Cat, and Cool Cat is always on my side!
Okay, this kid's been picking on me a long time. I'm about to stand up to him. He's right over there. Hey. Standing up to you.
Quit bullying me, because I'm friends with Cool Cat, and Cool Cat is always on my side!
I'll tell you, that's great advice. And please remember and use Cool Cat as your friend. If you get bullied, you just say, hey, Cool Cat's my friend. And you know what to do after that. You yell at them, tell them to quit bullying. And please always remember, Cool Cat
loves you! Remember, Cool Cat is a friend to everybody! Bye-bye, everybody! Have a great day!
Hey, take care. Bye-bye.
Cool Cat, the coolest cat there is a travel around. He likes to have fun and he dances around. He is smart and he can say his ABCs and he can learn to sound. He likes to read and his mom is happy because he plays around. Cool Cat.